Will now be recorded.
Okay, now you can see this, no? So first we will have to go do activate the GST to yes. Okay, when we do activate GST to yes, automatically these will be seen. Okay, all these will be seen. Oh, I shared the entire screen. I can see. So automatically these details will be seen. I'll create a new company. Make sure you give the state and I mean state name correctly because it is IGST CGST. You should not have any confusion. Then you come here to taxation part and do yes. When you do yes, you get this detail. This is the same detail which I have been shown here. Okay, you need to give these details. One second before that. Okay. So GST number, when we come to GST number, it consists of 15 digits, where first two digit will be the state code, will be the state code. So basically, first two datas, two will be the Karnataka 29. Similarly, every state have the code, so it will have in that. I will open the code later. And then next will be the PAN card of the registered dealer, and then you have the check digit, then you have the blank code. Okay, so that's how 15 digit code you will have: the product code, the check digit, and the blank date. So that consists of GST number. So here, what I want you to do here is, I want you to take two, one for your company, two for customers. So one for you create one number you have for yourself, and two numbers have for two second number you will have for your customer, and one more you will have for your. Why don't you understand? I am in the class. Sorry. So I want two for one creditor, one debtor, and again two interstate. Okay, means numbers from different. This I want one creditor, debtor. So total I want five GST numbers from your side. So you can find them in any kind of invoices. Maybe Amazon invoice you can find, basically interstate you can find through Amazon invoices, Flipkart invoices. You have them. You They have many numbers from different state, and then you can have your, you go to this more Reliance, all those things, everywhere there is this GST number. So I want you to get five GST numbers by tomorrow's class. Okay, so but then we have to create today, no? I have to tell you this in the previous class. Check if you can, if you have any online, any Amazon invoices you have, you check. Happens is if you put fake numbers, it will not agree. Anyways, we will do with if by the time I do you get few things, you tell me the numbers, else I have one two numbers, we will do that. By the time, first take down this, all these are the things which you need to create. GST activation details, and then you have the ledgers which you need to create. And then these are the questions, only this much. Let's go to unicorns collection. Sorry, let's head back to unicorns collection. Do you want? Let me know once done. Somebody should have told, no, that that screen is open. Then I scroll. कसं खाऊ का कसं असं I want to eat it. Okay, we will create that.